the Demolition Derby, the wackiest car carnival ever staged in the name of sport. The Demolition Derby is the new phenomenon of spectator sports. The whole idea is to cripple the other guy's car while keeping out of trouble yourself. And the last man able to crawl around the arena is declared the winner. When one of these quick-footed bunnies turns turtle, officials bring the derby to a halt until he's able to continue or is towed from the arena. The world center for this melee of madness is here at Southgate Islip Speedway on Long Island. There are more wrecks than wreckers. It's time to clear the arena and prepare the field of battle for the next heat. Brand X loses again. The Derby is run under rigid rules, all aimed at the safety of the contestants, unbelievable as it may seem. No head-on collisions are allowed, nor deliberate hitting of the driver's door. Crash helmets and safety belts are a must. The cars carry only 5 gallons of gas in reinforced tanks. Promoter Larry Mendelson boasts that contestants get insurance at cheaper rates than stock car racing drivers. It pays for a driver to be backward in this melee of mayhem. There are drivers who go through an entire heat without taking their car out of reverse gear. In this clash for cash, the entrants pick their chariots up for around $25. The winner gets $1,500, and all the rest, $50. Winner. Battered but mobile, he limps around the arena in victory, threading his way among the remains of the vanquished. It's astonishing what the cars can take before giving up the ghost. Detroit's cars may have built-in obsolescence, but they hold their own until the final death rattle of flapping sheet metal. Last year, more than 6.5 million American cars were scrapped. The Islip Arena made a substantial contribution. An average day here gives the junk man a 200,000-pound windfall. Time to refuel man and machine as the arena is cleared for the next event. This is the figure 8 race, a refinement of the Demolition Derby itself. In this looping pattern, the cars crisscross in the center while the gas jockeys try to prove that 2 objects can occupy the same space at the same time. The audience gets 5 hours of this mechanical madness and begs for more. In this final heat, there's plenty of dirty work at the crossroads. With $3,000 as prize money at stake, they let the fenders fly where they may. For the winner, he has the cheers of the dedicated fans, a nice fat check, and a national crown. After the brawl is over, it looks like a battlefield. One last and final thought. On your way home, please drive carefully.